friends, my name is Shraddha and today I'm going to explain you the decimal number. What is decimal number? Decimal number is the number written in the decimal form are called decimal numbers, or you could say decimals. Let us take an example. 30.68. Let me assume this is the left part and this is the right part. Left hand is the whole number and right hand is the decimal part. This is the whole and this is the decimal parts. Now how to read it? It's super simple. Let me tell you how. First, this is 30. This is the whole, so it will be written as 30. As normal, like normal. But this will be read as 0.68. It will be written as 68, not 68. Not, it will be 68. 68. So it will be written as 30.68. Like 30, and here's a dot, 6, 8. 30.68. Now, I'll tell you an interesting fact. Its right hand will be always smaller than 1, and its left hand will be 0. If it's not 0, it will be 1 or greater than 1. And why do we need decimal numbers? Why do we need? Let me tell you why. Here's 0 to 1. This is a whole number. This is a whole number. So decimal numbers are useful when you're telling what is this? What is between this? These are small milestones like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on to 0.9. Then it will become 1. And decimals are also useful when you have to tell you 0.1 to 0.2. It will be 0.01, then 0.02, and so on to 0.09. Then it will be 0.2. See? And then it could be between 0.01, then even smaller, then like this, to 0.002, like this. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.